Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll share a step-by-step process to create and publish your writing journal on Amazon KDP. After watching this video, you'll be able to create your journals and make money out of it. So without wasting our time, let's get into it. Alright, let's start by setting up the dimensions. Head over to the KDP calculator website and select the binding type as paperback, interior type as a standard color, paper type as white paper, reading direction as left to right, measurement units in inches, and for the size we're gonna go with a standard size of 8.5 into 11 inches. For the page count, writing journals usually have about 120 pages. Let's click on calculate dimensions. These are your journal's dimensions. Click on download template. Now we need to design our journal's cover page, and for that we are gonna use Canva. Click on create custom size and make sure to select dimensions in inches and type in the dimensions. Click on create new design. Go to uploads and upload the template image that we downloaded earlier. Click on the image and adjust it to perfectly cover the blank canvas. This is your journal's front page, this is your journal's back page, and this is your journal's spine. Now I'll just quickly design my cover page. Once the cover page is ready, click on share, download, file type as PDF print, and download it. For the journal's pages, create a new design with these dimensions. Let's quickly design our pages. I've made 3 different pages for my journal. Let's change the view so that it would be easier for us to duplicate the pages to make 120 pages. Keep on duplicating pages until it reaches 120 in total. Once it's done, let's download it as a PDF print. After that, head over to Amazon KDP and sign in with your account. Click on create. Choose create paperback. Type in your book title. Add the author's name. Add the description. For the publishing rights, choose the first option. Here select no. For the categories, select self-help as the main category and choose journal writing. Click on Save Categories. Check the Low Content Book option. Add the relevant keywords. Click on Save and Continue. We can publish a low content book without an ISBN, so leave it as it is. Let's go with the standard color. For the trim size, select the one that we used while calculating the dimensions, which is 8.5 into 11 inches. Select this option. Choose your paperback cover finish. After that, upload the pages that we created using Canva. Scroll down and upload the book cover. Let's click No on AI generated content. Click on Launch Previewer to see how it looks. Click on Approve. And this will be our cost per printing one book. Click on Save and Continue. Let's add the pricing. After deducting the printing cost and Amazon's commission, this will be our profit. If we scroll down, we have to provide some information. Click on Go to My Account. Here we have to provide personal information, provide bank details, and finally fill up tax information. Let's quickly provide the required information. Once it's done, go to Bookshelf. Click on Continue Setup. Quickly go to the last step. Finally, click on Publish your paperback book. Currently, the book is under review. After the review process, it will be live on Amazon. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to drop a like, share it around, and consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. And I'll catch you in the next one.